Greetings and welcome to today's Microsoft Excel exciting video. Today we are going to cover Excel functions like left, right, mid, upper, lower, concatenate, and proper, among other bonuses that will come with it. But these bonuses is for those who watch till end. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is a way of promoting me and supporting the journey. Thank you for being part of my journey so far. Please subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button so that you will be notified whenever I drop a new video in Microsoft Excel for data analysis, Power BI, and SQL, precisely the use of Oracle database. So these are the things you'll be getting in my channel. Please do not forget to subscribe. Let's delve in quickly. In today's video, we want to, if we are given a large volume of data and for us to extract some part of those data and place it where it is supposed to be, there are Excel formulas that makes this work very easy. We will start with the left and the right functions. Now, we have order and account number in one column. We have it in one column. In that column, the order number and the account number is separated with forward slash. Now, we want to extract them and place them on their separate columns. So, we start with equal to sign. Left. Excel always help you out whenever you type a function. If you type the beginning of that function, Excel will provide you with it. Your duty is now to double click. Now it says place your text or your number character. Now we select the cell that we want to work with, separating it with comma, and count the number of that particular word or number that we want to extract. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 in number here. We type 5. Close the parenthesis, press enter. Now you flash fill for it to complete. Now the use of right plus sign, select the same cell, separating it with comma, and count the number. It's just 4 in number. 4. Close your parenthesis, enter, flash fill. Now, in a situation whereby you don't want to separate these numbers again with forward slash, you want them to become together, you make use of what? Ampersand sign. This is the one of the bonuses I want to unlock. This is time for us to unlock the bonuses. There are many of them I'm going to unlock here, but it's for those who watch to end. Now, the use of ampersand sign to concatenate, to bring these numbers together or to bring these characters together. Now, you place equal to sign. Select the cell you want to order and account. But at first, we want to use account now to make it unique. Make the number unique. You select it. Use of ampersand sign. Hold the shift key on your keyboard and press 7 to get the ampersand sign. Then you select the other number. That is C2. You press enter. Automatically, the number is merged together. Now, another way you can merge this number, now in the first order and the account, there is a separator there, which is slash. Now, we want to use space as a separator. We want to use comma as a separator. Maybe you want to use dash as a separator. Now, you use this particular function, ampersand, colon, that is double quotes, and the ampersand is use of it now. Start with equal to sign or plus sign as the case may be. You now select that cell order first. Your shift and 7. Open double quote. If you want to place space, I want to use dash here. Dash. Close quote. Shift 7 to get your ampersand sign and select D2 as the next cell. Press enter. You can see it. You can use some other thing to do that. You can use space to achieve it. Now, how do you do it perfectly now? Excel provide this is manual method. We are now using the keyboard shortcut here, use of ampersand sign. But Excel has its own functions and formula that you can use here now. And what could that be? And that is use of concatenation operator. Now use concatenation equal sign concatenate. When you use concatenation, you select that same cell you want C2, comma D2. You close your parenthesis, enter. You see it now. You concatenate this the same way. You see how it is. So this is where you do it. We quickly want to introduce you to what? Mid. The use of mid function immediately. Another bonus for those who watched your end. Please do not forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will be getting every update of the programs. Excel data analysis, Power BI data analysis, SQL analysis, and other functions that follows it. So please subscribe to my channel as we go. Now we want to use of mid function to extract a number or a text in whatever we are doing, in whatever function or whatever data you have now. Use your equal to sign, mid function. So now you count the number. The slash is what I want to extract here now. From here, you count it to get to where is that slash. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is 6 the sixth number there? The sixth word or number there is slash. Now the symbol now is what we want to extract. You select the column, the cell. When you select it, comma, type the number 6, comma, how many is it? Just 1. 1. You close your parenthesis, you press enter. You see it, you've extracted it. The same way, if you want to extract just the character called number in this word, now this particular word equals to sign mid, okay? You now count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first letter starts with N, but at the sixth place. So at the sixth place, you start it with select the cell, bam, comma, 6. How many are they in number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 again, 6. You close your parenthesis, enter. You see how the way we have extracted it. Please, you see my solution to the first one. See my solution to the second one. The next one we have to do now is the use of upper, lower, and proper. The use of upper, lower, and proper in Microsoft Excel. This function help you to establish when you called when a name is not properly written or a specific way you want to write a name. So this is the function that you will use to address it. We have first name here and we have last name here now. In a situation whereby you want all the name to appear in uppercase, as in normal layman sentence, capital letter, you use upper. Then how do you do that? You use plus sign, upper, then select that particular cell. That is, this is for the first name. We want all of them to appear as capital letter. Let me not just be using, because if I'm saying, look, say upper, 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 confusing. Now, if you want all of them to appear as capital letter, you just use upper function, enter. You can see if you flash fill now, everything displays automatically. Now, the next one is for the last name again. Let them all appear as upper. Is the same function. I use first one is plus that I use. Second one, I want to use equal to sign, upper. Close your parenthesis. So you flash fill. So for the case of lower, so for you all the name to appear small letter throughout, you use lower, equal to sign, lower. Select the cell for the first name or for the last name. Close your parenthesis. These functions only work with characters, that is alphabet. It doesn't work with alphanumeric, it doesn't work with numbers. It works mostly with letters. So you can see lowercase changes. Now, in a situation whereby you want sentence case, or proper normal sen ten ces where the first name comes with capital and the rest small letter. That's normal uniform ways of writing. So you use the function called proper. Equal to sign proper. We want the first name to appear proper. Close your parenthesis, enter. You can see Mary starts with M as capital. Now if you want the second one to appear here, the last name equal to sign proper. So close your parenthesis, enter. You say it. Now there is the one called concatenate with, that is connecting these letters, this first and second name, to be in one column. Maybe you will call it full name, but you want to separate them with space or comma or hyphen or apostrophe. Any symbol that you wish to separate them with, that is where you use what? Connect with. So equal to sign, concatenate first name. You can use space, comma, comma, space, then the last name. Close your parenthesis, enter. You see how they are merged together. But in a situation whereby you need to add space to it, there is need for space. You can easily use what I taught you, one of the bonuses I showed you, the use of ampersand sign. You can easily use it here also to bring these names together, separating them with comma or space. So at this, I want to remind you, or we were taught, or what we treated today is Excel function, the use of left, right, mid function, upper, lower, proper, and other bonuses that come with it. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.